So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to make $100 per day with Shopify without selling products, okay? And the method I'm going to share with you, this guy is making over $500,000 per month with the method that I will be sharing with you in this video. And later in this video, I will also share with you how to exactly go from $100 a day to $300 per day, okay? So let me share with you exact the step-by-step method in this video. So what is the first step over here? First of all, a lot of people, we have already seen that a lot of people are interested in making money with the Shopify by opening the Shopify store. But what we are going to do is something different. Instead of starting a Shopify store, we are going to help other people to build their own Shopify store. So what we are going to do, the first step over here, we are going to start building an audience, okay? So for that over here, you can actually see what you need to do. You need to start creating content on YouTube or maybe anywhere else, but this is the channel that I do recommend you, okay? So for example, you are going to create a YouTube channel and start sharing with them how they can actually make money with Shopify. Now you might be thinking that hey, I haven't made any money with Shopify, how can I do this? So what you are going to do, you need to become the reporter. If you don't know, Russell Brunson has said you can actually become the reporter and can start sharing what other people are doing, what the successful people are doing, and you can actually see a lot of good YouTube videos, okay? Some of these guys are really crushing on the Shopify. So all you need to do, you need to watch their videos and share what is helping them to make thousands of dollars. Or you can simply Google the stuff over here, how to make money with Shopify, etc, etc, and then you need to become a reporter of the successful people and then share the stuff over here. What you need to do, you need to just remove the trash all, because there is a lot of trash. A lot of people are just putting the trash on the YouTube. So you need to give them the best information you can give them, okay? You need to give them the secrets you need to give that time, okay? Because these guys don't have so that they don't have to give that time to just find the best content. They can simply come over to their YouTube channel, okay, and you will be giving them the best knowledge they can get for free. Okay, so over here you are going to give them free content every single day, and then in that content you are going to share, in that video you are going to tell them, hey, check out the link in the description and take your free Shopify course. And in the Shopify course you are going to give them something like extra, like 2 different traffic sources on how to set up the Shopify store, how to get traffic, how to write copywriting, and all those things. But you don't need to be an expert, you just need to be one step ahead of them. That's all you need to do. So what you are going to do, you are going to send them to an opt-in page over here, and you can simply write something like the easy 3-step process you can use to make $100 per day with your Shopify store within just 30 days, or whatever you do believe. And then you can simply give them a course, and in that course you are going to promote the Shopify affiliate program. And let me tell you, the Shopify is going to give you 200% of or whatever it is on the price of the Shopify. Okay, so Shopify generally charges like $30 a month. So over here they are going to give $58 for each user that is going to sign up, and they are also going to give you $2,000 for each plus referral. Okay, that's a kind of the different membership for the Shopify program. Okay, so you are going to get the money over here when you are going to promote the Shopify. So all you need to do, you need to create like 4 to 5, maybe 6 videos, and then just simply put up the videos into a course, okay, anywhere, or you can simply just upload them to YouTube, but just keep them unlisted. And when they are going to give you the email address, you are going to send them to their email all of the videos. That's all you need to do. And in those videos you are going to tell them, hey, want to create a Shopify store? Click the link in the description. And you will be amazed that a lot of people will start joining the Shopify under your link, and that's how you will be making a lot of money. Okay, really, you will be started making a lot of money because you are giving them free content that they want, and a lot of people are just starting out. That's why they are going to go with your course, and because they are starting out, so they will need a Shopify account, and that's how they will be going with you. Okay, so now over here, what you are going to do over here, in order to actually go from $100 a day to $300 a day, or even more, the best part is you don't even need to put any extra effort. So what you are going to do, you are going to collect the email addresses over here, and then all you need to do when you are going to collect the email address, instead of just promoting Shopify, I don't like the Shopify affiliate program a lot, but the main source is Shopify, okay, because we are helping them to build a Shopify store. So you are going to teach them about about Shopify, and then you're going to promote the products that are going to help them to make more money with their Shopify store. For example, email marketing tool. Active Campaign is having a big hand. Email marketing is having a big hand in running their Shopify store and making more money with their Shopify store. You can teach them email marketing and then simply tell them, hey, just click the link in that, click the button below and create your free account with Active Campaign for 14 days, and that's how you are going to make a lot more money, because Active Campaign give you 30 days 30% recurring commission. For example, if there is a customer that is going to pay Active Campaign like $100, okay, so till the point the customer is going to paying $100 to Active Campaign, they will keep on paying you $30 every single month recurring. So that's how, let's say 100 people are going to join the Active Campaign from your link, so you will be making $3,000 every single month without putting any extra effort. So that's why I like recurring income, okay. And moreover, you can sell more and more products, like you can even sell them courses like how to get traffic to their Shopify store, or you can even sell them some of the stuff like as you already know that Instagram is having big hand in getting traffic on the YouTube channel, I'm sorry, on their Shopify store. So you can simply share with them some of the Instagram softwares that are going to help them automate the Instagram traffic. For example, I also used to do this with like Zarway and a VPN, and there is also one more 2-3 things extra that I used to promote, and I was really killing on that time, okay, because I was getting the recurring income, and I was not just promoting anything, but I was giving them free stuff, and in that I was telling them, hey, use this tool. And because nobody shared those tools, so everyone was just joining the link with my link, and I was making shit ton of money without selling them anything, but I was giving them free content, and I was just telling them, hey, take this software, and they were just buying them with 100% happiness. They were building more and more trust with them. And moreover, you can also sell software like ClickFunnels, okay, because I have seen a lot of people are making funnels with the ClickFunnels to sell their Shopify products. So that's how, but the only catch is this: you don't need to sell the Shopify products, you don't need to create the product, you don't need to worry about shipping, you don't need to worry about anything. All you need to do, you need to become an affiliate. Just share with them content, share with the content with which the successful the Shopify stores are using, and then just simply recommend them product. Don't just sell them anything fake information, okay. And even you can partner with like you can find the good Shopify courses that are really teaching great things about Shopify. You can become an affiliate, okay. For example, you can simply just Google over here like Shopify, for example, like Shopify courses, okay, and then you will be able to figure out the affiliate programs of those things. It's really not that complicated, that much you are actually thinking. All you need to do, you have to put up the effort, okay. So that's what I do believe, that this video has really helped you, and if you are going to implement this, you will be able to start making money with Shopify without selling products, okay. And make sure to subscribe to this channel for more make money online videos, and I will see you in another video. And also make sure to check out this video right here to make some extra money from your home without investing any money at all.